Welcome back everyone. This is the very basic Excel course. If you are just starting MS Excel, so this is a perfect video for you. In this video, we will just teach you how to navigate through the interface and how to enter data, how to format the data, and how to save your work file. So we will teach you all these things in this video. And this is a basic and absolutely for the beginners video. So let's start. First of all, we would like to just open MS Excel. So just search MS Excel or simply search in your PC. After that, open. So you will face with this page. Then click on this blank workbook. So after opening that, now you will see this interface. And this interface is made from two parts. Okay, the first part which is ribbon. This area, the top area is called ribbon, which contains these tabs. Okay, home, insert, page layout, and all these tabs has commands, like these are the commands. And the second part is this grid system. Okay, look at which contains the rows and columns. These are rows. Look at that, I am selecting these are rows, and these vertically, these are columns. And every row and column has its unique address. Like this is the column A, column B, C, D, and this is row A, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this go on. So these are the column and rows. Now these boxes are called cells. These are cells that I am selecting right now. Every cell has a unique address. Look at, like this is A1 cell. Look at the addresses at the corner. This is in the name box. A1, B1, C1, like A2, B2. This is the address of every cell. So now let's, for example, we would like to enter data. Okay, whenever we are using Excel, so we are entering data to MS Excel. So let's insert data to our MS Excel. So let's click on the A1 cell, and here I will just enter the item name. This is the header. In the B column, I will insert price. In C column, I will insert quantity. This is header with us, okay, which contains item, price, and quantity. Now we will insert data related to these header. Like item, we have, for example, product A. Price is, for example, 40. Quantity, for example, 2. Let's insert second product B. I will just increase the... Yes, price is like 50 and quantity 4. Let's insert product C. Price, for example, 70, quantity 5. The last product that we will insert, which is product D. So we have inserted now our data. So after inserting your data, so now let's apply basic formatting on this. For example, we would like to just bold this header. Press Ctrl B or this bold icon at the home tab, so it will bold that. And also, if you would like to apply the border, select your data, come here to the border and select all border, so it will apply all border on that. Also, if you would like to just increase the column size, so just come here between these two columns and you will see double arrow, so just increase it like this. If you want to bring this text to the center, so here we have navigation, so it will bring this text to the center. Look at back to the left side or here to the center vertically. So after that, after basic formatting, now let's apply for calculation. Okay, we would like to just multiply these quantity with the price and also the grand total. So let's, here we will write total. We will just add a new column which is total, and we will just apply a formula here. Whenever you are applying a formula, you are calculating. So for that, we are inserting at the first time equal sign, equal to. After that, I would like to multiply price by quantity. So price multiply by sign up multiply, then select quantity cell. Okay, after first of all select the price cell, then the multiply, then C2. So press enter, so it will multiply it. Say it means this is the total of product A, which is 80. Drag this down. So now to apply this on down, so for that just drag it down. Look at, come here to the corner of this formula, so just drag it down. So you will see, okay, look at this is 20, 350 and 60. So after that, so this was, let's also apply all border on this. So this was the basic formula, okay, mathematics formulas that we applied. we have multiplied. So now let's add another formula. For example, we want to find grand total, okay, the total of all the products. So for that, click in this last cell and D6 cell. After clicking here, now you can do it by 2 or 3 ways, like for example equal to sum function, and then select all these things, close it and press enter. And the second method is automatic calculation. So for automatic calculation, click here and come here to the home tab. In home tab here you will see AutoSum function, okay, AutoSum command. Press that, so it will just select all and insert the sum function, press enter. So we have found the grand total now. So let's bold it. We can also underline it. I'll also change the background color or the color of this cell. So you can also apply all these things. So after doing all these things, now let's save our file. So to save that, for that, simply come here to the file, to the save, wherever you want. So you can save your file. So it was all about the basic and the very start of MS Excel. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like this video and comment down. Thanks for watching.